Hello everyone and welcome to another exciting video, and in this video I'm going to do a full review on the new Android 10 based MIUI 11 for the POCO F1. So this build was not officially released yet and was only available to flash through a third-party website. I already made a video on how to install this and you can check here or in the description down below to see how it can be installed. But let's jump into the details and the changes in it. With MIUI 11, Xiaomi actually made a lot of changes to its UI, right from the home screen to its revamped settings menu and from the icons to their movements. You can find everything new and actually improved in my opinion when compared to MIUI 10. So in settings, as you can see, the icons were changed and the menus were neatly organized. These two sections haven't got any major changes except for its UI and small tweaks. So coming to the third section, lock screen now has a smart cover mode and wallpaper carousel options integrated into it, and every other options were right there, same as in MIUI 10. Coming to the display section, we have some major changes. Dark mode was integrated along with color scheme, where you can choose between various color profiles like warm, cool and default, and the sounds and vibration now has got pixel sound like features where you can set ringtones according to your music genre liking. You can see the feature has jazz and electronic genre where you can choose your ringtones easily. Even the adjustment UI has got some serious changes like this as well. So the home screen section now supports blurring app previews, which can be a major feature for people who concerns about the security of the data while it was minimized in the recents. And the wallpaper section has got some new wallpapers as well. As you can see, the live wallpapers are good, and now you can set your favorite videos as the live wallpapers through this option. So coming to the security section, we have a fully functional facial unlock. Apart from this OS, I haven't saw this feature working in any other Android 10 based custom ROMs. The battery and performance has now got two power saving features, the old school battery saving feature and the ultra battery saver mode. These two modes really comes very handy in saving your battery, especially the ultra battery saver. I saw this kind of feature in Meizu, and it works by turning off various features that sucks the power out of your phone. When it's enabled, your phone will turn into something like this, where you can access only some of the major features like phones, messages and contacts only. You can add any exceptions from your app by using this add button in this corner. Some of the other settings were now moved to additional settings in order to make it more organizable. The screen time in Xiaomi is actually an answer to digital well-being from Google, and you can see it has got every aspect of digital well-being right under its hood. The special feature section has got game turbo, quick replies and second space. From all these three, Xiaomi improved a lot in Game Turbo, and as you can see, it now has a separate feature and a display tweak setting profile based on the game. You can find it in the additional settings where you can choose various graphic profiles or display profiles right from moderate to strong and extreme. So you can choose any of these profiles which will make your gaming experience to a next level. These are the major changes in the settings, and coming to the notification center, it now has a new toggles in order to enable or disable dark mode and ultra battery saver options as well. And the file manager has got some UI changes as well. Overall, the changes are good, and the thing that I love the most about this version is its fluidity. MIUI 11 has got more fluidity in its overall movements and better app opening speeds. Even the startup speed is good and really promising. Coming to the verdict, I think it is stable enough to consider as a daily driver. If you want to try this as well, then I already uploaded a video. Go check that out. Links are in the description down below, and give it a like if you like this video. And subscribe for more awesome and cool videos. Peace.